In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Shopify to TikTok. To get started, you will be working inside your Shopify admin. This is where you manage your store settings, apps, and sales channels. The goal here is to install the official TikTok app for Shopify and then connect your TikTok business accounts so your store can share key activity data with TikTok. First, go to Apps in your Shopify admin. From here, search for the official TikTok app. It is important that you choose the official app because it is designed to connect Shopify properly with TikTok's business tools and tracking features. Once you find it, install the app and open it. Next, you will connect your TikTok account. Inside the TikTok app, click Connect. You will be prompted to log into your TikTok for Business account. Make sure you are signing in with the account that you use for your business, not a personal profile, since you will need access to business settings and permissions for the rest of the setup. After you are logged in, you will link your TikTok Business Center and your TikTok Ads Manager account. These connections are what allow Shopify and TikTok to communicate. Business Center helps manage your business assets, and Ads Manager is where campaign and tracking tools live. During this step, approve any permission requests so the integration can complete successfully. Now you will set up data sharing. Look for the data sharing section and select Maximum. This setting helps TikTok receive the strongest set of signals from your Shopify store, which improves measurement and can support better optimization for advertising and performance tracking. To keep things smooth, confirm that your storefront is active and that you have access to adjust settings, because limited permissions can sometimes block this selection. Finally, confirm everything by clicking Finish Setup. Once this is done, Shopify will automatically start sending important events to TikTok, including View Content, Add to Cart, and Purchase. These events help TikTok understand what customers do on your site, from browsing to buying, and that covers everything you need to know.